Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, August 31st, which means today is the very last day of the row by row experience. So if you would like to get a free pattern of our hippo party row, today is your day to do it. And then starting tomorrow, the patterns will be available online for sale and online as a digital download for sale. And we still have a few kits remaining. I'm not sure if we have fabric to make more or not. No, I don't think we do. So if you are interested in grabbing that, today is your day. Tomorrow is the first day of the All Carolinas Shop Hop, and we will be open all weekend, regular hours, and Monday, Labor Day, regular hours as well. So we hope to see you today or tomorrow for one of those great events. One more reminder, QuiltCon submissions. QuiltCon obviously is the biggest convention in the world for modern quilters, being held in Raleigh in February of 2024, and submissions open tomorrow and run through October. We still have all of the Wyndham artisan cottons. There are 6 different colors in the Wyndham challenge for QuiltCon. So if you want to get some, now would be the time. I hear that chartreuse is running low. So if you're interested in grabbing some of those, now would be a great time to do that as well. Now, up today we have Quilter's Haven. This is Quilter's Haven by Satin Moon Designs, a group inspired by quilt retreats. We love the word search, the selvage design, and the sewing motifs. Check that out. You can get selvages without selvages. This collection is colored in bright teals, yellows, pinks, and blues, and we think these prints would make an adorable tote bag. Yes, they would. Or a little zipper bag to hold all your notions. Very, very cute. And then over here we have, let's see, Concrete Jungle. Sorry, they were out of order on my page. So first up we have the Jelly Roll from Moda. It's all black, whites, and grays. Cute black and white prints, including a 60 inch. Woo! It is, yeah, 60-inch orange peel design you can use as a cheater quilt or as a backing. And this is by Studio M for Moda. Ooh, that's a fun one. That's really fun. That one's fun too. I'd want to color it. I don't know if colors would really show. And then there's that jelly roll, and then there is the giant print. That would be fun for practicing machine quilting. If you kind of, quilt inside your little orange, what are those called? Not peels, like the little segments. Susan's helping me out a lot today, guys. I'm not quite feeling it. Anyway, I hope you have a great afternoon. Find some time to sew. Look into all the events that are happening around us soon and find a way to get involved. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.